Hi, my dear customer. This is our charger with OCP 1.6 and with MONTA app. Now let's power it on and show how it works. Now it's power on. So as you can see on the screen, there is a QR code and a direct charge and a setting. Now first, let's set it to connect with Wi-Fi, because you see there's no Wi-Fi icon. It means it's not connected with Wi-Fi. So let's press this setting, and the default password is 6 digits, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, and so we come here and you see here is a Wi-Fi setting. And I have already import our Wi-Fi name and password already. So you set your Wi-Fi here and import the Wi-Fi name and password, and then done. Connect with Wi-Fi. So after it is connected with Wi-Fi, we can back to here, scan the QR code. The QR code is a code to download the MONTA app. For example, let's use this scanner to scan this QR code, and you can find here is the MONTA app, and you can find the information of this charger, the serial number. Open app or download the app. If you have never downloaded it, please press download the app, but I have already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it anymore. So I need to open the app. Now open it. Here we come to the interface of MONTA app, and there's the information and the serial number of this charger, and here is the address information. Where is the location of the charge point? Let's set it here. So choose one of it. Here's a Google map. So connect to MONTA. Success. So it's connected to MONTA. And now let's try charging. You'll see here the charger is available. And a slight charge. Now it starts charging. And you can see the dates here from the screen, the voltage, and the current, and the time, hour, minute, how much electricity you have used. And you can also check all these dates from your smartphone. And you can stop charging by your smartphone or by clicking the stop button here. So let's try to control it by our phone. Stop charging. Yes, stop charging. Now it stops. And you'll see how long you have charged. There is, it's less than 1 minute, so it's 0 minute. And this is a kilowatt hour you have used. And from your phone, you can see show more details. So you can see the time it started, the time it ended, and the charge duration, and how much money you should pay. You can specify electricity cost, spot price, or fixed kilowatt price. You can set here, for example, and choose your country and save. So yeah, this is the first way how to control your device, and there's a second way to start charging. Is to control it by RFID card. As you can see here is the fingerprint, direct charge. So swap your card, you can start it immediately. Now, so as you can see, the current is 7 amps, so it starts charging. And it's also very easy to stop it. You use this RFID card again to stop it. So now it stops. And if you are using a smartphone which can copy your card into your smartphone, it's quite easy and convenient for you to use your smartphone to start charging. For example, let's see. Because I have already copied this RFID card into my phone, so I just need to put it here. I need to choose this card. Yeah, this is the RFID card. So I put it here. It can also control this device to start charging. You don't need to take RFID card anymore. Very easy, right? And stop it. Now it stops. Easy and smart, right? So that's it. Thanks very much. Here we go. As you can see, there is a MONTA CHARGER app. Let's open it. And here is a charger available now. Let's it's charge point settings, and I think the most important is access settings. As you can see now, it's private. There are two options. The first is private and the second is public. If you want to let others to see it on the map, please change it to public. So you can modify its price here. As you can see now, it's 0.5. Let's make maybe 0.8 and save. So the price you change it to 0.8. And public schedule, because mostly you charge your own car during the night, so it should be private chargers. And during the daytime, when you are in the office, your charger is available to others, and set it to public chargers. And to let other users have access to your charger, you need a sticker. So you can order a sticker here. It's from MONTA. So you need to pay $4.5 US. This is charged by MONTA. And you can create your team. As you can see on the top of the screen, there's a personal team. So in your team, there is one charger. So you can, for example, team settings. Here you can invite someone else into this team by email or by phone. And access rights, there are two options, as a member or administrator. Usually the first user will be the administrator automatically. Member price, you can modify the price here. For example, 0.8 and save, or add another price as you wish. And now we are using basic team plans. This is from MONTA. And the basic, you have free 3 charge points, 10% transaction fee, dashboard, something. And this is a pro plans. So according to your requirements, you can have these plans by yourself. It's decided by you. So that's all. There are many other functions you can check by yourself. For example, the insights, and this is public charging. You can check the charging dates by yourself here, and this is, so you can check all the dates here. That's very convenient. And there's a personal, for example, wallet. You need to set the payment methods at maybe credit card here, and also outfit cards. Yeah, so that's all. And if you have any question, please feel free to let me know. Thank you very much. Hello, this charger is with 4G module, which means it has a function to use 4G internet. So before you use 4G, you have to insert a SIM card. To insert this SIM card, you need to take out all of these screws on the back side of this charger. Then you can open it. So when you open it, after you open it, you will find here a 4G module, and here you can insert the 4G SIM card here. To insert the 4G SIM card, you need to make sure this side should be not, it should be like this way, and put it here like this, and it's not so easy to, okay, so now it's fixed. Okay, so now let's power it on. Let's connect it with power. So as you can see, there's a red light here. When it flashes, it means now the 4G is working. Okay, let's close it. And you can find from its screen, let's set, and the password is 60123456, and you can choose the networking mode. Now it is 4G. You can choose Wi-Fi, LAN, or 4G. So let's choose it 4G. So done. And here should be an icon. And wait about 40 seconds, and there will come an icon. It is exactly the same like a Wi-Fi. So when it occurs, it means the 4G network is connected. So let's see and wait. Yes, so now there is. So now we can use 4G. Let's check, I think. Oh, sorry. So yeah, the network is still 4G, okay. So right now we can use 4G function